Okay, we are headed back down here under this bridge because I saw a giant trout swimming down around there. It looked like an 18 or 20 incher. Definitely a big trout. So we're going to turn around down there and see if we can get this guy to bite something. The whimpering you hear in the background is Lindsay getting in the water for the first time over her ankle. Oh, there he is. I got him. Get your net, Jacob. Get net right there beside you, Jacob. Look at him. Oh, he's big. I'm trying, son. He's literally pulling line. He is huge. I'm coming that way. I'm going this way. Jacob, come with me. Move with me. Holy crap, he is pulling line. I can't even get him to turn. Holy. Get over here. Whoever's with me better be on my right hip. Right hip. Wherever I move, you move. Don't get out in front of me. You're scaring him off. He's going to get tired here in a minute. We're going to get him. This one's going home with me. Oh. You're doing a good job. Oh, yep, stay put. Let me bring him to you. Stay put. Get him. Lift up, lift up, lift up. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
We're bringing him home.
I got that on video. I got that whole thing on video. Oh my dear God.
Where's our phones at when we need them?
I got it all on video.
Look at that.
I got the whole thing on video. Look at the size.
You barely had him hooked.
No, but I had him hooked in that plate. That hook wasn't coming out.
Good. Oh my Lanta. We don't have a live well or anything. What do we do? We don't have a string or anything.
Oh my God.
That is amazing.
That pool up there is looking awful inviting. Oh. Oh, Jacob, net. Oh. He's a pretty good one. Remember, let me bring him to you. Oh, look at him. He's got some spunk. Oh, he's dragging a little. He's a little decent one.
Come on, little guy.
Oh, no, he's not gonna let me. Not gonna let me have him. He's taking a little drag. Coming to you. Snag him. Good job, recovery specialist.